Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python provides flexibility in structuring your code, and classes can be organized in separate files or within a single file. Organizing classes into separate files can make your codebase more maintainable and modular, especially in larger projects. In this tutorial, we'll explore how Python handles classes in separate files and provide code examples to demonstrate best practices. To create separate files for classes, follow these steps. Create a .py file for each class you want to define. Define your class in the corresponding file. Each class should have its own file, and the file name should match the class name, with the .py extension. You can organize these files within directories and subdirectories as needed for your project's structure. To use classes defined in separate files, you'll need to import them. Python provides several ways to import classes. Here, module_name is the name of the Python file, without the .py extension, where the class is defined, and class name is the name of the class you want to import. You can access class methods and attributes using the classname.method_name, or classname.attribute_name syntax. When importing classes from modules within the same package or directory, you can use a relative import. The dot indicates that the module is in the same directory as the importing file. You can also import the entire module and then access the class using module_name.classname. Here are some best practices for organizing classes in separate files. Use clear and meaningful file and class names. Name your files and classes descriptively so that it's easy to understand their purpose. Group related classes. If classes are closely related, consider placing them in the same module or directory. Avoid circular imports. Be cautious of circular imports, where two or more modules depend on each other. This can lead to runtime errors. Follow PEP 8 style guide. Adhere to the PEP 8 style guide for naming conventions and code formatting to maintain consistency. Let's illustrate the concept with an example. Suppose you're building a simple e-commerce application with two classes, product and shopping cart. Here's how you can organize them. In product.py. In cart.py. In main.py. Running main.py will create instances of the product and shopping cart classes, add products to the cart, and display the cart's contents. Python provides a flexible and modular way to organize classes in separate files, making your code more manageable and maintainable. By following best practices and understanding how to import classes from separate files, you can structure your projects effectively and improve code readability and maintainability. ChatGPT